Quick tip on what to do to help you guys get started on cloning your tomato plants. Okay, so I started out 2 jars. I've had this one in the water a whole lot longer than that one. As you can see, this has been in the water for about a week, and this one is less than a week. But the thing is, this one has already got roots forming at the bottom of these stems. Right there, you can see that one and down there. The difference is I put Miracle-Gro in this one, and I did not put Miracle-Gro in that one. So now, off the 2 different ones, this one is doing a lot better. They both look good on the leaves. They're both growing. This is doing good, it's just taking longer. So to speed up that process, go ahead and get you some of that Miracle-Gro. I'm not filling it all the way up like I normally would, but I will throw it in this one because I started out with that one. I'm gonna kind of mix that around a little bit, some more. I put it in the water yesterday, and it's already taken hold in just one day of putting Miracle-Gro in this thing. So now, I'm gonna take these out. Throw my Miracle-Gro in there. Slush it around, get that thing going real good. And now, like I say, there's a little bit of roots forming at the bottom, but not as quick as I was hoping. So now I'm just going to stick them back in the water. And now, since I got my Miracle-Gro in there, it's going to take hold a whole lot quicker. Appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe.